Flop Bollywood stars who are successful businessmen. Sunil Shetty. This Bollywood actor owns a chain of fitness gyms across India. His gyms can be spotted at many places. This actor also owns a production house company named Popcorn Entertainment, and it has produced many movies. He also has boutiques named Mischief. The actor also has several restaurants. Sunil also has a real estate company S2 Realty. Twinkle Khanna. This actress, along with her mother, owns a candle business which exports candles into several foreign countries too. She also has an interior designing company named The White Window in Mumbai. She is also a reputed author. This former Bollywood actress is also a film producer and has already produced several films under her company Grazing Goat Pictures. Shilpa Shetty. Her Bollywood career as an actress has almost ended, but she still leads a very luxurious life, which is because of her business. Shilpa Shetty owns a pub called Royalty Club in Mumbai. This restaurant is styled in a mix of Indian and European royalty style. Sushmita Sen. This stunning Bollywood actress has almost disappeared from Bollywood now, but through her business, she leads expensive lifestyle. Sushmita owns a restaurant named Bengali Mashi's Kitchen in Mumbai. She owns a production house Tantra Entertainment and has a jewelry retail store. John Abraham. Well, he is not a flop actor of Bollywood. His career is a moderate one. He owns a production house named JA Entertainment. Sunny Leone. This Bollywood actress has launched her own line of cosmetics named Starstruck. Karishma Kapoor. This Bollywood actress has recently invested in an e-commerce portal, babyoi.com, that sells baby products. Abhishek Bachchan. This actor is the owner of Pro Kabaddi League team Jaipur Pink Panthers. He also co-owns the ISL football team Chennai FC. Preity Zinta. This actress is a successful businesswoman and she is the co-founder of IPL team King 11's Punjab. Arjun Rampal. Arjun Rampal owns a lavish lounge cum bar named Lap in Delhi. He also maintains an event management company named ChasingGanesha.com. Dino Moria. This Bollywood actor has disappeared from Bollywood and now runs a business. He has a franchisee of restaurants across India. Lara Datta. Stunning actress Lara has her own production company named Bhigi Basanti. She also has her own collection of saris under Chabra 555. Lara Datta also has her own fitness DVD and this is how she earns huge money. Tushar Kapoor. Flop Bollywood actor Tushar is the owner of a production house named Tushar Entertainment House. The debut movie produced by his production house is Akshay Kumar's Lakshmi Bomb. Uday Chopra. This actor owns his own comics company named Yomix, which produces comics based on Yash Raj films. He is also producer and has produced many Hollywood television movies like Grace of Monaco in 2015. Chunky Pandey. He owns a pub in Mumbai called the Elbow Room. It gives completely British feel and offers lavish Oriental cocktails with cuisines. Amisha Patel. This flop Bollywood actress has her own production house named Amisha Patel Productions. The production house's debut movie was Desi Magic. Bobby Deol. This Bollywood actor owns a restaurant called Someplace Else, which he started back in 2006. Ronit Roy. This actor owns a security agency company in Mumbai and it provides security to many celebrities. Jugal Hansraj. He is a renowned director for directing Roadside Romeo. He is also the head of creative department of Dharma Productions. Sahil Khan. Flop Bollywood actor Sahil Khan co-owns a production house named Karma Production. He also has country's first beach gymnasium in Goa. He also owns a YouTube channel where he gives online training for fitness. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.